Most students think the purpose of college is just to get a degree. But that's no longer true. The real purpose of education has been reduce the gap between how students learn and how the real world actually works. And right now, the gap is becoming dangerously wide. The business world students are entering today is fundamentally different from the one BBA was originally designed for. The World Economic Forum says 75% of companies are already integrating AI into their core business function. Marketing, finance, HR, operation. AI is already there. Earlier, companies rewarded people for remembering information, following instruction, and repeating systems efficiently. Today, AI can already do most of that faster than humans, which means the value of a student is changing. And interestingly, the biggest barrier companies now report is not technology, it's a skill gap. Nearly 63% of employees say the lack of relevant skill is slowing business transformation. And yet, most BBA programs are still teaching you Porter's 5 forces and making you write case studies by hand. That is not your professor's fault, that is a structural problem. The curriculum hasn't moved on, the industry has. In a traditional classroom, students are often trained to consume information, listen, memorize, and repeat. But AI changes the role of the student completely, because when information becomes instantly available, the value shifts to interpretation, judgment, curiosity, and execution. That is why AI native business education looks very different. Students are not only learning concepts, they are learning how to ask better questions, how to analyze information, how to test ideas, how to think strategically. The classroom stops becoming a place where students passively receive knowledge and starts becoming a place where they actively build things. One of the biggest changes AI creates is speed. A task that once took 5 people, 2 weeks and multiple meetings now can be done in hours by a small team that knows how to use modern tools properly. That unlocks the irreplaceable value of the person who knows them. Which means students entering workforce today are competing in a completely different economy. Not just an AI economy, a fast economy. Now, students will no longer approach projects academically. They will approach them strategically. Instead of asking what should I write in this assignment, they start asking would this actually work in the real world? Look, the future will not belong to students who simply collected degrees. It will belong to students who can learn continuously, adapt quickly, work with technology, communicate clearly, and execute ideas in the real world. Because in the AI era, knowledge alone is no longer advantage, applied intelligence is, and that requires completely different kind of business education. That is exactly what Stride School of Business is being built for. Not to prepare students for the world existed 10 years ago, but for the world they actually going to enter after graduation. A world driven by AI, speed, innovation, and constant change. Because at the end of the day, question is no longer, do you have a degree? The real question is, can you create a value in the modern economy? And that's the difference Stride is trying to build.